Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you want to stay comfortable and toasty this winter, I would definitely recommend checking out this down coat from ANYIELIEMO. It is filled with 90% goose down filling, which means that it is very lightweight while at the same time being extremely warm. A lot of puffer coats can completely hide my shape and just look like this one big blob, but what I love about this coat is that it has this waist cinching drawstring, so it actually gives me a bit of shape. I find it really easy to move around in. It doesn't overly restrict my movement. I feel like I can walk or even jump freely. The temperatures have really dropped off where I live lately, and it is feeling very chilly out, and this coat really does its job. It blocks out the cold, and I feel totally cozy when I'm wearing it. I got the size small, and I find that it fits me very well. It's very true to size, and I love this khaki color that I chose. I find it to be very on trend. It's a perfect length on me. I feel like it really keeps my legs warm while at the same time not being so long that I would feel like I would be tripping up in it. This down coat from ANYIELIEMO definitely covers all the bases for winter wear. But that's just my point of view.